The Pixel 10 Pro XL is almost here, and if you're someone who loves big displays, fast charging, and all-day battery life, this phone might be just what you've been waiting for. Google is launching its largest and most powerful Pixel yet, and the official date to mark on your calendar is August 20th. So, what makes this phone worth the XL tag? Why might someone go for the larger version instead of the regular Pixel 10 Pro? Well, let's talk about the 3 features that make the Pixel 10 Pro XL stand out. First up, the display. 6.8 inches of multitasking freedom. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is expected to come with a huge 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display. That's noticeably larger than the 6.3-inch screen on the regular Pixel 10 Pro. It might seem like a small difference on paper, but when you hold the phone in your hand, it really shows. A larger display means more space for multitasking, editing photos or videos, reading and watching content. If you're someone who splits the screen between apps or works on the go, this extra screen real estate can make things much easier. It's perfect for editing documents, browsing with more comfort, or just having more space to work and play. Even if you've considered getting a tablet or a foldable device for a bigger screen, the Pixel 10 Pro XL offers a solid alternative without the added size or cost of those devices. It gives you that large screen experience without being bulky, enough to need a backpack every time you go out. And for people who love mobile photography and video editing, the XL gives you the extra space you need to fine-tune colors, crop shots, and make detailed edits more easily. It turns your smartphone into a true creative tool. Next, faster wired charging. Finally, a real improvement. Pixel phones have never been known for charging speeds, but the Pixel 10 Pro XL is changing that at least a little. While the regular Pixel 10 Pro will reportedly offer 29-watt wired charging, the XL model boosts that up to 39-watt. No, it's not competing with the 100-watt or 150-watt chargers that some Chinese phones offer, but it's still a welcome improvement for Pixel fans. Every watt counts, especially when you're trying to power up a larger battery. With the XL's bigger battery, we'll get to that in a moment, the faster charging becomes more than just a feature, it becomes a real convenience. It means you spend less time connected to a charger and more time using your phone. And when you're heading out and realize your phone's battery is low, those extra watts can make a noticeable difference. If you've ever felt frustrated waiting for your Pixel to charge, the XL version is definitely the better choice for you. Finally, the largest battery ever in a Pixel. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is rumored to include a massive 5,200 mAh battery. That's the biggest battery ever in a Pixel phone, even beating the Pixel 9a's 5,100 mAh cell. With a display this large, of course, more power is needed to keep everything running. But thanks to Google's software optimizations like Adaptive Battery and Extreme Battery Saver, the XL should offer excellent battery life. And don't forget the AI-based efficiency tools that Pixel phones are known for. Google knows how to manage battery power well, and the combination of a large battery with smart software should result in long screen time, perfect for heavy users, travelers, or people who stream a lot of videos, even when compared to high-end competitors like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which still sticks to a 5,000 mAh battery. The Pixel 10 Pro XL has an edge. So if you need a phone that can keep up with your busy day and don't want to carry around a power bank, this phone could be the right pick. So who is this phone really for? The Pixel 10 Pro XL isn't for everyone. It's not compact, and it won't top the charging speed charts. But if you're the type who wants it all, a large, stunning display, faster charging, the biggest battery in Pixel history, and all of Google's Android smarts, then this is the phone built for you. Whether you love the clean Pixel interface, depend on Pixel exclusive features like call screen, or want a solid camera that just works, the XL gives you the most complete package Google has ever put together. So if you're ready to go extra large, the Pixel 10 Pro XL might just be the phone you've been waiting for. Get ready, August 20th is almost here.